smoke. Breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you.
Okay, so we're back in the workshop and we're going to be doing something a little bit different for a change. So normally we work on monster trucks and off-road vehicles and stuff that do jumps and stuff. But now we're going to do some recycling. So we're going to get a really old vehicle and transform it into a new vehicle. So we're going to start off with this, a really, really old London taxi. Now this is an FX3. It's roughly from the 1950s to 1960s. I think it's when it was in production. But this one has seen a lot better days. Have a look around it. Okay, so some vehicles are called a barn find. This was a field find. So we actually dug it out of a field. It's actually got stuff growing inside it. Yeah, we're not going to use a lot of it. But so one of my friends, he does a lot of hot rods, and he quite likes this shape here. That's quite a hard shape to make, and like some pits here. So when he's going to come around, we're going to mark out the bits he wants to keep. He might want to keep like the rear window surround, because he uses quite a lot of shapes like that. So he's going to come around, mark up which bits he wants off the body. We're going to keep parts of it, like especially like the hinges, the handles, the transmission, the floor. Well, not floor. The sort of part of how the brakes are done underneath of it. We're going to try and use a lot of it. The steering we're going to use, the leaf springs, the front axle. We might have to change the back axle, but this is what we're starting off at. So it's got a diesel engine in it at the moment. I want to get hold of the original grille because I really like the shape of the grille that's on it. One of my friends down the workshop has actually got one, and hopefully I'm going to get it off of him. He doesn't know that yet. But yeah, so this is what it started off at. And it's got still got all the seats in it. So it doesn't originally, believe it or not, it has a driver's door, which is over there because it fell off when we was moving it. A lot of bits fell off when we was moving it. So we had the wheel arch fell off. On this side, so it has a passenger door. Oh, can I get round the jack? Oh. So yeah, so that's a door there, but it never had a front door. It didn't have it. So the idea of that is when you got picked up in London, you would put all your luggage in here. It's got some tyres in it, so we're gonna actually, one of the tyres is so perished that it isn't round anymore, so we put it on these easy lifts to move it around. So we're going to see, hopefully one of these tyres hold air, so we're going to put that on the tyre so we can actually move it around. Okay, so we're doing some investigation. There's a lot of parts. There's more than one car in here. So there's a sump, we've got camshafts. This thing was absolutely full of water, so I've been taking the water out of there. But there's actually some good bits. I'm not going to get rid. So my friend's come around. He's told me which bits he wants me to cut off. So he wants basically the whole of the back of that. So we're going to recycle that. But believe it or not, there are some doors in the back of it, and the doors are in really, really good nick. So I'm going to put these on Facebook Marketplaces. You don't know, somebody who might be restoring a taxi, they might need them. They're too good to throw away. This is another keep pile, but look, I wanted to keep this because look at the size of this conrod, and you don't get many pistons with that on the top of it. I'll let you do from your judgment what that looks like, but I'm going to clean that up and keep that. That looks cool. Okay, so some of the pieces I wanted to keep. I wanted to keep the hinges, and normally on this side I've just undone the hinges. On this side I couldn't undo them. Normally you just go through an angle grinder and you just cut it away, but the taxi is actually made with wood. So if you look at this now, so that's the pillar that goes up the top where the hinges mount onto, that's wood. The cross member that goes along the bottom of the window, that's wood. The roof lining, all that's wood. So back then in We actually, when was this one was from?
56.
This is a 1956. We've actually found the chassis plate of it, so it's 1956. Yeah, so back in then, they made cars with wood. Another bit bites the dust. I think there's another huge piece of wood up here. This bit feels quite thick round here, but we'll get into that in a minute. So we can save that bit. My mate can have it to make hot rods with. There isn't much holding it together now. Cut it through there, I can get most of that piece off. So let's cut that piece out. That's another bit to take the wood out, and then we can put it with all the other bits. And a little bit later on, it's only taken us probably about 3 hours to reduce it to this. So the chassis is in really, really good nick. It's just a little bit of surface rust on it. It is absolutely solid. I've never had such a pile of wood left on the floor after stripping a car. But yeah, so there it is. That's all the bits that aren't any good at all. We've cut all the hinge panels off. We've cut all the returns off for my friend to use. We managed to save all the glass, so we're going to put that up on one of the message boards. And we've got a set of doors and a load of other spares that can get recycled. We've got all the bits we want to keep for it. All it's to do is to turn it into its new vehicle. Okay, so it was a couple of days later, we was doing some fiberglassing anyway, so I got one of the 32 moulds out. So this is the grille for a 32 Ford, and it actually fits really well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try and borrow my friend's taxi grille, and we want to put the taxi grille into this, so it'll look a little bit different, but I'm really, really happy how it fits in between the frame rails. Not sure exactly where everything's going yet, but yeah, it's going really well. But that's going to be the video for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun to build. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel, and I love your comments. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless.